Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you all how I prepare this crunchy Nigerian chin chin. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have all-purpose flour, I already sieve it, I added some baking powder and a pinch of salt, some nutmeg, and I will go ahead and add some sugar as well. And I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. Added some melted butter as well, and I'll continue to mix until they are well combined. And the butter is angry, it doesn't want to come out, but I bring it out by fire by force. Once I mix everything together very well, I added one egg and I will continue to mix together until they are well combined. At this stage, I'll go in with the milk. I added the milk little by little and I'll continue to mix. If you don't want milk, you can replace with water, but make it more delicious, alright? I will leave the full ingredients down below. If you're interested, you can check it out, alright? As you guys can see, the dough is not too smooth, alright? I will go in with the orange peel, which is the star ingredient for this chin chin. You guys trust me on this one. I will grate the orange peel into the chin chin and continue to mix the dough until it's perfectly smooth. You guys, believe me, go and try this recipe. You will come back to leave me a comment on this video. It takes the chin chin to a new level. Once I add the orange peel, I will continue to mix until it's perfectly smooth. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and allow to rest for about 10 minutes till I prepare my working surface, and this is about 10 minutes later or 15 minutes later. I just cut out small out of the dough and I roll it out into a flat shape before I cut it into any shape of my choice, alright? Just keep watching and see what I'm doing. It's super easy. At this stage, it depends on you, alright? You can cut it into any shape of your choice, alright? And I'm making use of pizza cutter. If you don't have pizza cutter, just use knife, alright? In the past, I always use knife and it worked perfectly fine as well, alright? Once I cut the chin chin, I transfer it into the tray and I repeat the same process until I am done. I drop one chin chin into the oil just to check if the oil is hot, and it's hot already, alright? I just transfer the chin chin into the oil. I gently move it around and allow it to fry until it's completely done. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen is absolutely amazing. You guys, this smells so good, guys, and it tastes absolutely delicious. You guys, believe me, guys, trust me on this one. This batch is done. I take it out of the oil, I set it on a paper towel, and I will repeat the same process until I am done. That is it, guys for today's video. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.